Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Redmi Note 12. So I'll start open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. I am always using the Easy Fax, so we have to open it. Decide that you want to get notification, and add the permissions to the camera and to the files if necessary. Okay, now tap on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this one. Of course you can select more than one picture. Okay, if you're ready, click import, add just a shape to the document, and if you're ready, click go. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver, and if you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, then type the number in this place and choose the country. You can optionally give a small note here, and of course you can add more documents, maybe from the other source. If you want to send the documents from this list, just click on this little button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.